We are a quite long-established technology service provider based in Scotland, just outside of Edinburgh. And we operate across the UK, delivering large-scale rollouts of computers, laptops, desktops, and increasingly tablets, mobile computing. And we're real specialists where there's large volumes. Through the pandemic, we've been more involved in conversations around business continuity, making the users safe, moving to the cloud. We've got approximately 50 full-time staff and nearly as many, again, contract staff. We have 2 main offices. We've also got some home workers and distributed staff in England. Part of the attraction for me on selecting Perkbox was the app. Some of my staff are working in a warehouse or driving a van, so you need to take those offers to them. It's not a one-size-fits-all. The COVID pandemic has accelerated the adoption of mobile computing, cloud computing. So most, if not all, of the large-scale organisations have a clear strategy to introduce more flexible working, more adaptable working. I took over as MD at the beginning of last year, and I wanted to make sure that we were celebrating success as a group and recognise people as individuals. It's not a one-size-fits-all when you're talking about reward packages and recognising success. Perkbox, I'd heard about it from a colleague in another tech company. Did some quick research, bit of background, a few references, and I thought I'd give it a go. It's going to support some of the other things that we're always doing. We do investors in people, investors in young people, proactively engaging with your staff and trying to do more and do better. We see it as a tool set. It's not just about staff benefits, staff rewards. It's something that everyone can use and take advantage of. It supports my management style. It can't be just about the numbers. It's got to talk about what people have done. So we want people to live the values. You'll see our meeting rooms named after the values. The Perkbox platform allows you specifically to reference the value when you're giving some positive feedback or running a survey. So it works really well. I like to see it as part of the overall, come and work for us, and it's a core part of the benefits package. It's part of the induction. Not all companies, I guess, are as forward-thinking. It's something different. Certainly, I find it is quite cost-efficient, and there's different choices. It shows that we're trying to do different things. It's not just about salary. Increasingly, it's about that work-life balance. Communication is everything. You've got to communicate with your customers, your staff, your partners. What I'm also trying to do is think about some new things that you can do which are authentic and consistent, but just keep that communication going. You get payback massively by just taking an interest in individuals. What was really popular across the board was Cafe Nero and cinema. What we like to do is celebrate birthdays, anniversaries. It was my birthday last week, so I got my birthday box. I think I've got, a bottle or 2, or maybe just 1 left. That's just been, people really like the birthday boxes because I think it's seen as quite tangible. I wanted something that was simple and quick to implement. The flexibility of implementing Perkbox, it's really positive. That's why we ended up with Perkbox.